black on the screen, no peace in my head. Dreams so cheap while the rent runs red. Debt collects in the veins of my youth. 25 burnt out, that's the truth. Newsfeed floods till my chest can't breathe. Scrolling through fires, no time to grieve. They said we thrive, said the dream was ours. Now we work till we're ash in collapsing towers. Sleepless nights on a borrowed bed. Stress tattoos carved where my hope was bled. Cut me open, I bleed screen glow. Ashes of ambition I'll never show. Ruthless heartbreak, anger on repeat. Pieces of ghosts that I can't delete. 34% couldn't make it to class. Anxiety chained like a weight on glass. Numbers climb on the mental chart. We're all collapsing from a broken start. Overworked, underpaid, no room to feel. Burnout strikes before the wounds can heal. My pulse is rage, my breath is scars. Every verse bleeds through invisible bars. Exhausted, addicted, the scroll's my chain. I'm the wound, I'm the mark, I'm the ash and the flame. Cut me open, I bleed screen glow. Ashes of ambition I'll never show. Ruthless heartbreak, anger on repeat. Pieces of ghosts that I can't delete. Static whispers through a shattered beat. Hope turned to ashes, looping on repeat.